Hello friends, good morning. Today we'll make bati chokha. As you can see, for the bati chokha we need sattu, we need onions. I'm taking 3 onion, 1 for the chokha and 2 for the batis because बैगन कम हो जाता है at the time. And we need, I'm taking 2 brinjals and I'm taking ginger, green chilies, garlic and tomato. Further we need lemon juice, jeera powder. See, as you can see, by cutting from 4 sides we need to insert chili and garlic inside. Then we'll do same with the other brinjal also. Now we'll be using tomatoes and potato and we'll roast it on the burner by keeping it like this and greasing it with oil and salt. So now the preparations are done. We need chopped coriander, chopped onion, chopped garlic. This is jeera powder, mangrel, and I have grated the ginger. Okay, so now this is for the stuffing of the bati. We'll use sattu. This is sattu. We'll put this sattu in this and we'll mix together and we'll squeeze few drops of lemon if needed. Now we'll go for the baigan ka bharta. I have already mashed tomato and eggplant, and this is potato. I'll mash this together, and the same things we are putting for the bati: coriander, ginger, onion and garlic. The same things are here, and we'll mix together for the bharta. This we'll mix with this for the bharta, and we'll put some mustard oil and salt to taste. Same for the bati. If needed, then salt to taste. If you want, you can add some pickle like mango, or you can use pickle masala like mango, then it tastes delicious. But I'm using this plain, and I'll put this sattu. We'll mix it together. Same procedure we'll do for the bharta. Now these are the ingredients we need. This is, I have roasted this on the gas burner. Now this is potato, this is brinjal, baigan, tomato and aloo. We'll mash them together. We'll add mustard oil and we'll add salt to taste, and we'll mix all of these together. This is coriander, the ginger is there grated, chopped garlic and chopped onion. I have took mustard oil and pickle masala also. Now we'll mix together and we'll add salt to taste. So yeah, we are adding lemon juice, and this is pickle masala. Take out the seeds carefully, because when it will go to your mouth then the sourness will come. Now squeeze the lemon juice. 1 lemon is enough for this much of sattu. Add salt to taste, because pickle masala is already having salt, so accordingly put salt. Add mustard oil for the binding, and now now mix together all the ingredients. Our sattu will be ready. Now our sattu stuffing is ready for the bati, and we'll start with the chokha, known as Baigan ka bharta, also very famous dish from UP and Bihar. We have added onion, garlic, ginger, green chilies, coriander chopped, mustard oil and salt to taste. Now our bharta is also ready. Now we'll fry bati. I am frying. If you want, then you can bake also, or you can grill in the oven. Adjust the salt accordingly. Now our baigan ka bharta is ready. Now we'll stuff bati like this. And we'll deep fry in the oil like this. After taking out from the oil, we'll keep in a plate and serve with the baigan ka bharta chokha. As you can see, the batis are served with the chokha, baigan ka bharta, and the final dish is ready.